Yeah?
We are continuing receiving results from the field and
Waweiro kwa vile mliendelea kuwa na uwiano na kusimama na kila mmoja wenu na mkajua kiti cha Loiro na hasa kahawa ndani kilikuwa cha Jubilee. Heshimu hawa, endelea kuwa mnyenyekevu na hawa kwa sababu hawa ndio barabara ya maisha yako ya kisiasa. Usibadilishe maisha. Utumishi ni wa unyenyekevu na utumishi ni wa upendo na bila wivu.
These are the results for the by-election. We had 15 candidates. There were 15,941 voters who are registered in Kahawa Ndani ward. And from the by-election, Simiu Brian got 273 votes. Bodwin Seme Etiang received 0. Nelson Ochieng Gore received 5. Bernard Kariuki Karanja received 641. Kevin Ochieng Othiambo received 823 votes. To declare the winner of the contest. And the winner is Kevin Ochieng Othiambo. So we wish to congratulate Kevin for taking the seat, and if Kevin is here with us, we present.
I want to congratulate Kevin Ochieng. This has been a well fought campaign. Actually in the history of this country, we have not had campaigns like we have had in Kahawa Ndani for almost one year campaigns. It's been too costly. But we have come to the end of this, and I want to ask Kevin, you only have one year and a few months. You need to put your foot on the ground, and I also want to thank all my supporters who came out in large numbers to support me, who stood with me, those that prayed with me. I want to say thank you so much. There's still another day for us to fight. Thank you so much, and God bless you.
Thank you. I'm going to work here with Bernard because he's my worthy competitor, and I respect him so much. And for the people of Kawendani, this is a win for the people of Kawendani. And the people who vote for me and the people who don't vote for me, I'm going to serve them equally. And I wish to say thank you to the Jubilee Party, the county government of Kiambu, and also the President, Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta, for the support they have given me as a party. And I know going forward, the project that my brother left to serve the people of Kawendani, I'm going to work together with all other aspirants to work together so that you can serve them in a way that they can be satisfied. Yes, thank you. First of all, for you to work, you need to have a good rapport with the county government, because as an MCA, the work is a representation, and in terms of oversight and other roles. Now I'm going to work with the county government of Kiambu, the governor, and I'm going to request him so that the project like dispensary, the ECD, we can initiate them so that the people of Kawendani can be comfortable in their livelihood. Yes.
So as you can see that this was a very closely contested election, but that's the essence of democracy, that we have to have a winner and we have to have a loser. And for those who are supporting Bernard Kariuki Karanja, we want to congratulate Mr. Kevin Oching. Thank you, sir. And concede that he has won this election because they had to be a winner. It may be close. We are disappointed with a very low turnout, but that is it. That's an election. We cannot be stuck into electioneering and contest. And so, my friend, pongezi. And it was a worthy fight or competition. Political competition is not enmity. And we want to have a culture in this country whereby we end up like today, whereby we have someone who has lost a contest and someone who has won a contest, and the country moves on, so that the winner can take the mantle of uniting the people of Kawendani. So I do hope that Kevin is going to be a leader and an MCA for people who voted for him and people who did not vote for him. As a senior leader from this county, I am going to work with Kevin and Bernard to ensure that we unite and heal the divisions that was caused by this election. And that's what we want to see all over the country. You do not need a document. You do not need constitutional amendment or constitutional change to be Democrats and to work together and to have the maturity to move this country forward. No paper can achieve what hearts of men and women has failed to achieve. So please, I want to urge them to work together, and we are going to offer them support and guidance and leadership to continue working for the people of Kawendani who are cosmopolitan. And today Kawendani has spoken, and they have spoken in a manner that we, as the camp for Bernard Kariuki Karanja, have accepted. So we want to urge them, work together, unite. Let's move forward to set an example for Kawendani, for Kiambu,